Tesla uses unique wiper blade sizes for different models. For the Model 3, the driver's side blade measures 26 inches, while the passenger side is 14 inches. On the Model Y, the driver's side blade is longer at 28 inches, but the passenger side remains at 14 inches. Note that some models may also include a 13-inch rear wiper. Using the correct sizes is critical for optimal performance and to avoid damage. Always double-check your specific model year for the most accurate measurements. To replace your Tesla's windshield wipers, you'll need a few essential tools. First, you'll need new wiper blades sized correctly for your specific Tesla model. A gap filler tool or soft cloth protects the windshield when lifting the wiper arm to avoid scratches. A 10mm socket may be needed in some cases for secure removal of components. A plastic pry tool helps gently remove clips and covers without damaging parts. Optionally, silicone spray can lubricate the wiper arms to prevent future squeaks. Finally, ensure you have a clean and safe workspace for performing the replacement. First, put your Tesla in service mode via the touchscreen to prevent accidental wiper activation. Lift the wiper arm away from the windshield, using a gap filler to protect the glass. Locate the J-hook adapter on the passenger side or pin-type connector on the driver's side. Depress the tab on the old blade and slide it down and off the arm. Be careful not to let the arm snap back against the windshield. Align the new wiper blade with the wiper arm, ensuring the J-hook or pin connector is properly oriented. Slide the new blade onto the arm until it clicks or locks into place. Gently test the connection to confirm it's secure. Repeat the process for the other wiper blade. Ensure the blades are firmly attached before lowering the arms. Here is a step-by-step guide for installation. Different types of wiper arm styles. After installing the new wiper blades, carefully lower the wiper arms back onto the windshield. Use a gap filler tool if needed to protect the glass from scratches. Now turn on your Tesla and test the wipers. Activate them using the controls and spray windshield washer fluid to check full functionality. Carefully check the windshield for any streaks or uneven wiping. The wiper blades should leave a clear, streak-free pattern across the glass. If you notice streaks, first verify that the blades are properly installed with the correct orientation. Also check that the windshield is clean and free of debris. For ongoing maintenance, lubricate the wiper arms with silicone spray every 6 months. This prevents squeaks and ensures smooth, quiet operation. When it comes to replacing your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y windshield wipers, you have two main options: OEM blades from Tesla or aftermarket alternatives from brands like Bosch and Anko. OEM blades, or original equipment manufacturer parts from Tesla, are specifically designed for your vehicle and guarantee optimal performance with the vehicle's sensors and systems. They cost between $50 and $70 per pair. Aftermarket blades from reputable brands like Bosch and Anko offer similar quality at a lower price point of $20 to $40 per pair, and many include advanced features like silicone coatings for better durability in harsh weather. Silicone-coated blades are particularly beneficial, as they reduce drag and improve visibility in extreme conditions, which is important for Tesla owners who often drive in varied weather. Here's what Tesla's OEM blades look like, shown with the connector clip designed for Tesla's unique wiper arm system. Bosch offers popular aftermarket options like the Aero Twin series, which are compatible with Tesla vehicles and include easy attachment mechanisms. Anko profile blades feature quick connect technology and are specifically designed for Tesla's adapters, offering durability and clear wiping. This comparison shows the advantages of modern blades over traditional refills, highlighting easier installation and better corrosion resistance, which is crucial for Tesla owners. When choosing blades, ensure they are specifically designed for Tesla's unique wiper arm connectors, a J-hook on the passenger side and pin type on the driver's side. Look for silicone-coated options for better performance. Always read reviews from other Tesla owners and compare prices, as aftermarket options can save you money while maintaining quality. Compatibility with Tesla's connectors is essential to avoid installation issues or sensor malfunctions. Common mistakes in wiper replacement include using incorrect blade sizes, which can lead to uneven wiping and potential sensor malfunctions. Always verify the exact size for your Model 3 or Model Y before purchasing. Another common error is failing to properly secure the connection, which can cause the blade to detach while driving. Use the correct attachment style, J-hook on passenger side and pin type on driver's side for Tesla models. Inspect your wiper blades regularly for wear and tear, especially after exposure to extreme weather conditions. Check for cracks, missing rubber, or uneven edges that could cause streaking. Clean the windshield and wiper blades periodically to remove debris and prevent streaking. Use mild soap and water and avoid harsh chemicals that could damage the rubber. Wipe dry to ensure clear visibility. Consider the extended blade warranty offered by Tesla, 3 years or 36,000 miles, in response to durability issues reported in some units. This covers premature wear from harsh weather exposure.